Hi guys, today I am doing a review. Really I'm unboxing this mixer combo. Um, it's like a hand mixer, but it has a stand where it can basically work with the bowl, similar to those other, major blenders. So this one was pretty cool. It's made by Sunbeam. I thought it was cool because not only wasn't, it wasn't like $300. It was only like $50, and I bought it from my local Target. So yeah, as you can see, that's the bowl, and in this box, I'm gonna pull out the actual hand mixer because you can use it individually as well if you really don't want to use the stand and the bowl, which I thought was pretty neat. And I was like, okay, well, you can actually take it apart and use them separate. And heck, I was like, okay, let me try it out. So now this side is the actual stand. And I thought this was quite interesting because, yeah. Anyway, these are the utensils. I was definitely sold on it when I found out not only did it come with like the mixing part, it comes with the little attachment for me to be able to use to make bread, like for dough. So that was a win-win situation. That really sold it for me. For $50, I was like, look, let me try it out. But yeah, my first thing that I made with this was some bread, and that's on my channel. But anyway, this is a stand. That part is kind of already together. The mixer, you basically put it on top and you snap it in place. I had to play with it a little bit to learn how to snap it, but it's actually a button on the side that basically secures it in place. That first silver button on the side. Yeah, which I thought was neat. And so yeah, that button right there. I finally figured it out because I really didn't look at any instructions. So that's securing in place. And of course, I had to tilt it back in order to put the attachments on. Well, this time I took it off, and you kind of just pop them in, like a regular mixer, which was really cool. Wasn't really hard to do. Then I put it back in place, and then of course eventually I learned how to tilt it back because I had to tilt it back in order to put the actual bowl on. And to place the bowl, and I had to hold onto the little bottom round part, hold that still, and just turn the bowl to lock it in place. And down there it shows you which direction to turn it if you want it locked or unlocked. So I thought that was really cool as well. I don't know, I guess I'm just hyped about it. I love me a good kitchen appliance, and for $50 I thought it was a really good good idea. Yeah.